Alright, I don't know what I filmed and what I didn't. Bought this, well here's what it is. One of those. Bought it broken. Didn't think it'd be too much to fix, given the price of things now and how everything's gone up horribly. Here's what happens to these rakes. For some reason, the first hole there. See, it goes like that. They bust out. That's what goes into the arms that the tines go on. So the arms fall off. No big deal. They make a updated version that more meat. Called for price on them. Holy man, they're really proud of those. So I you see on the first one, I cut the end pieces off, got some round stock, welded everything back together, drilled some holes in it, made my own. Also with the tine arms, you have to modify the end piece, so I built new ones. But if you're ever wondering what the inside of your rotary rake looks like, anyway on a miller, I don't know where the old bearing went. I did tear it apart. This bearing goes top side, but it was junk, so I got a new bearing. Cam plate. Let me see up in there. There we go. All the cams fit in there. Arms, they might be. Pretty simple. This one is anyway. So, all I gotta do is put it back together, clean everything up. See how it goes. Well, if you've never done that, I suggest it. Trying to line up all them cams with that cam roller follower. But it's on there. A few choice words later. Gotta put the top piece on now. Alright, got the tine arms on, guards on, the curtain over there. I'd like to take it out and run it, but PTO shaft is bent. I'll have to see what I can do to fix that. Oh, and pins for to hold the arms on there. Yeah, starting to look like a rake.